You show sister how to crawl?
Be careful, be careful.
Be careful, honey. Show her how to crawl. You crawl and show her. Say, sister, this is how you crawl. Does her hand need help?
Yeah. Move her hand.
Move her hand. Yeah. What about her legs? You get her to crawl? What is that? You gonna go play with your friends? Yeah. Can you give sister a hug? Honey, I think she's awake. Give her a kiss.
Jackson, be careful.
Don't push her.
Don't push. Don't push. She's got your hand.
Did she tickle your foot? Did you tickle sister's foot? Say, I love you, sister. Say, I love you, sister. Stop picking your nose.
No.
Say hi.